Nope.
No, what do you say? Say please.
Please.
Please? Here. Look, that's Grandpa. Here, Samantha. Look. Do you want this? Say thank. Hey, say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Right?
Right.
Right.
Say bye, Grandma.
On.
Uh-oh.
You get out.
Okay. But you can break it in two.
There's yours.
Chloe got a stick. Chloe got a stick. Bad. That's the bad part about it. Is the